Welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to solve another Leetcode medium problem, and this is part of our DSA revision series where we are solving some grand 75 problems. And without wasting further time, let me quickly jump into the problem statement. So till now we have solved these problems. Binary tree right side view is solved. We solved in previous video, and in this video we are going to solve this construct binary tree from preorder and inorder traversal. Okay, so given two integer array preorder and inorder, where preorder is preorder and inorder is inorder traversal, construct and return the binary tree. So we need to basically create preorder and inorder traversal from to a binary tree. So if I see this is my array, so if we notice in pre-order the properties like uh, this is like pre-order, we can consider root, left and right. Okay, and this in order is left, root and right. Okay, so if we notice we have pre-order and we start with the whole array, then we know this is going to be the root of this whole array. And if we find this in order position, then uh, before part is left subtree and the right part is right subtree, so we can utilize this information at each step. So and we can repetitively solve for this part and this part again. In next iteration I can give this value and this value to solve this problem again for kind of sub problems. Okay, so let me start quickly writing code directly. So I have another method called tree node, which will take tree node build tree. This will also take these parameter preorder and this in order. And apart from that, it should also take uh, what? It should also take these two values, int start, int end, and int index. Okay, and we can call this build tree for 1 second. Yeah, we can call this build tree with these parameters like preorder, in order. Start will be 0 because I am taking the whole length. Preorder dot length and index will be 0 because of the root. Okay, so far so good. And in this build tree I will have first condition is that start, if start is greater than end, or index is greater than this preorder greater than or equals to preorder dot length. If these two are the case, then I should return null. Okay, and in other case I'll start int I as 0. Basically I am finding the location of this index in order. Okay, so while in order dot I plus plus is not equals to preorder dot index. Okay, I am doing I plus plus already, or I can do it inside as well, or I can keep this empty. uh, Same thing. Okay, so yeah, so we have now I position at place, and at this situation I can just initialize a tree node with the temp value. uh, so tree node current equals to new tree node. We know the current index in pre-order we have the root. So pre-order dot index will be root for sure, and current dot left. And okay, so for the current dot left we can call this build tree again recursively. Build tree, this will again take pre-order, in order. Okay, now comes the interesting part. Now we know the position of I in basically in order. Okay, so we can kind of split it. Okay, so for example, if we have 3 the case, then I should be 1. I should be 1. Then I need to basically pass uh, a start. Okay, start would be same. No, for left part would be this I plus 1. Start I plus no. No, this should be index plus 1. Index plus 1 to whatever length. ओके, लेफ्ट के लिए इंडेक्स प्लस 1 तो ये हो जाएगा स्टार्ट कॉमा स्टार्ट प्लस आई माइनस 1. ओके, क्योंकि आई वांट टू बिल्ड लेफ्ट. हम्म हम्म Similarly, for right, I need to call this thing only current dot right. This should be start plus 1 comma and root will be whatever the length of the index. Okay, and after that we can simply return current. Yeah, this looks okay. Pre-order, in order, pre-order in order. Hmm. One it is working and for other it is not. Null. Mhm, mhm. This looks good. This looks good. Mhm, mhm. Start. Okay. Okay. This is the issue. So instead of doing I plus plus, I should check start plus I plus plus. Okay. I need to find the size, not actual index. How far it is from start. Correct. Let me try to submit it. Yeah. So this is it. So in this video, we have solved another problem, and stay tuned for more. I'll see you in the next one.